What's the meaning of clipboard? Clipboard. Clipboard.
Clipboard. Clipboard. A clipboard is a temporary storage area in a computer's memory where data can be saved temporarily. It is used to hold data that has been cut or copied from one location and is ready to be pasted into another. The clipboard can store a wide range of data types, including text, images, and files. Once the data is placed on the clipboard, it can be accessed by other applications until it is replaced by new data or the computer is turned off. The clipboard is an essential tool for managing data and increasing productivity when working with a computer.